Congratulations, we are moving to speaking number 2. So what do we need to expect from speaking number 2? Pretty much the same thing. It's very similar to speaking number 1. We have the question, we again have 15 seconds to prepare our response and 45 seconds to speak. Again, the speaker who is going to read you the question is super slow, so we have a little bit more time than 15 seconds to prepare. Again, the last sentence of the question, include details and examples in your explanation, is always the same, so you don't need to read it. And the only difference of speaking number 2 from speaking number 1 is the type of question. Even the speaking number 1, it was mostly a descriptive question. You were asked to describe wherever you want. All right, there are many options. You need to pick just one and describe why you prefer this option. So in the speaking number 2, you always have 2 options to choose from. And this is more of a do you agree, disagree type of question. So you always have 2 options. Do you like it or you don't like it, or which one do you prefer more? And then you need to pick one and then describe why you choose that one. Why is this option better? For example, we have a question, what kind of friend is better? One who is very similar to you or one who is very different? Which kind of friend do you prefer and why? Include details and examples in your explanation. So here we see 2 options, friends who are similar to us and friends who are different from us, and then we need to choose which ones do we like more. Of course, in many cases, if you're being honest, it's really hard to choose because the world is not that simple, right? We can't just choose the same kind of friends all the time, or like our copies, or like complete opposites of us. It's not how the world works. We always choose friends who are a little bit similar to us, but a little bit different from us. But this is not how life works in TOEFL test. In the TOEFL test, you always have to go for the simplest option, and the simplest option is always to choose either one or the other. Never ever choose something in the middle. Never choose the most logical answer. Always choose the one which is the simplest to prove, to argument, and then never choose one which is more difficult, but of course never choose one which is somewhere in between. So always you have to be strict. The world is black and white. You either choose the black or you choose the white. There is no gray. So you always have to make your choice. Never try to cover everything. Never try to be very smart in here. Just pick one option and then go for it. Okay, so this is how the speaking number 2 looks like, and in the next lecture we're going to discuss how do we prepare on time and also how do we structure our response. Thanks for watching.